Hear this, everybody. If you are a married person and you are a single person watching me right now, you are about to get married or you are married right now, look back and save the future. Understanding of genetics, genes in marriage. Okay, this is successful marriage and relationship. If you are new, please make sure you watch other videos. All we will do here is to bring you materials, everything that will make your marriage work. Hear this, everybody. If you are a married person and you are a single person watching me right now, you are about to get married or you are married right now, look back and save the future. Do what? Look back and save the future. I will say it again. Look back and save the future. Hear me? The Bible said in Psalm 11:3, if the foundation be destroyed, what can the righteous do? If the foundation be destroyed, what can the righteous do? Hear this, everybody. The medical folks, the doctors have made us understand the power of genes. The power of what? Genes. What you inherit from your parents. What you inherit from your ancestors. When a person has cancer, they will ask you, does anybody have cancer in your family, in your lineage? If there is cancer in the lineage, meaning there is no cure, they will just give you pain reliever. The same thing in marriage. Before you conclude on your wife, before you conclude on your husband, look back. Before you conclude on your spouse, do what? Look back. If you are single, before you marry them, or are you married to them already, do what? Look back. Consider background. Consider the foundation. Consider their genetics. Understand your own. Look back into your family. Look back into his family. This is one of the major things that should be considered in marriage. Understand it before you conclude on your spouse. Do what? Look back. Is there polygamy in his family? If there is polygamy in his family, there will be polygamy issue that will be rising in your marriage if care is not taken. Is there polygamy in your family? There will be polygamy issues that will be rising up if care is not taken in your own marriage. What do I mean in essence? In your family, do they have marriage issues? In his family, did they have marriage issues? Marriage is far beyond I love you. Marriage is far beyond having children. Marriage is what? Far beyond having children. Marriage is far beyond I love you. Marriage is far beyond sex. Marriage is far beyond food. Though all those things contribute, they are the things that needed in marriage, but there are essentials that need to be considered. When not considered, you begin to walk on a platform blinded. If you don't consider some of these things, you walk you tread on the path blinded. Look back, save the future. Look back, save the future. Save what? The future. If you have troubles in your family, if in your family they have issues in marriage, hear me, you must have issues in marriage. Sometimes you may not be the one to begin the issues. If your parents divorced, in your own case, if you get married, if you don't start misbehaving, if you don't start bad mouthing that will lead to divorce, your husband may start cheating that will still lead to divorce. At the end result, you are brought to the platform where your family lineage, your family members that had trouble in marriage came to. That's the major aim. If you don't look back and consider and retrace your steps. Look back and save the future. Do what? Look back and save the future. If in his family there is divorce, or probably his grandfather married 3 wives, or his father cheated or something, his parents are not together, you will have marriage issues. You will have marriage issues. The major purpose of the marriage issue is to bring him to the troubles of his father's house. That's the major the major reason why you are having trouble in marriage. Are you watching me right now? Look back. Look into your husband's family. Look into your own family. What you are going through in marriage may be as a result of what your family members went through. What your sister divorced, your mother is not with your father anymore, your grandfather, your grandmother, they are not together again, and you say your husband is misbehaving. It is the problem is not from your husband, the problem is from you. There is a force looking, channeling you to having the same issue your parents and your family members had. Look back, save the future. You are saving the future because when you consider the past, you come to the present, you settle now. It's either you achieve it or you fail. If you fail, you destroy the future because your children will continue what others suffered until somebody wins. And if you consider it right and you sit down and you begin to settle it in prayers or calculatively by good words and good acts, by patience and in prayers and all that, if you work it out and you didn't divorce, you will save the future for your children. You will save the future. Continuous divorce. The fact that your father divorced, trying to prove it right. Your mother divorced because of traveling abroad and all that. Because your father and mother had issues, or your family member have issues in marriage, doesn't mean you should have issues. The fact that your mother married a second husband and she is happy doesn't mean in your own you should marry a second husband, because that is divorce. And in your own case, look at your own now. Trouble is coming. It is channeling you to what your mother went through. Look back, save the future. Your children are looking up to you. Pay some sacrifices that will help them. Do what? I didn't say pay sacrifices to kill yourself. Pay some sacrifices that will help them. Okay? Pay some sacrifices that will help your children. That will help your children. As a man, pay some sacrifice. If you divorce now, one of your child will divorce, if not all. If all of them are not divorced, they will continually have issues in marriage. If you divorce now, one of your child will divorce. One of your child will have strong problem in marriage. If not all. If not all. You know that words you usually say, this child look like me. This child look like me. It is not just the physical appearance. It is also in the spirit, the inner appearance. Look back, save the future. I told you, a man carries the whole family inside. Whatever you do, whether you are with your children or not, you transfer things. Blood is thicker than water. And a woman carries the children in her. Whatever you do transfers into your children, whether they are with you or not. Look back, save the future. Save your children from divorce. Save your children from divorce. Break this yoke of divorce now. Don't allow divorce to creep into your family. There was never divorce in your father's house. There was never divorce in your mother's house. Nobody divorced in both of your families. Don't start it. Don't what? Start it. Don't pursue proving a point and destroy what your children are supposed to enjoy. Don't start divorce now. Don't start it. Don't be the first to start a divorce. Yeah, you may have made mistake marrying the wrong wife, made mistake marrying the wrong husband. You may have made all those mistakes, but you can live with an enemy. You can. You can live with an enemy.